And the race is on. Mixed Bass Lady wants to know skill creation. And moving up from the outside is Amazing Mix. Mixed Bass Lady wants to know still creation running by the row. Alongside is 1A Amazing Mix. And nearing the far turn, Mixed Bass still creation. Lady wants to know. Joining them, 1A is Amazing Mix. Another far turn, Mix Best. Number 1A Amazing Mix on the outside. Is still creation is running by the rail as they race the final corner. 1A Amazing Mix is still creation is done on the inside. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Amazing Mix still creation. Amazing Mix still creation. Moves up by the rail and finally is still creation. Amazing Mix. Mix Best. Lady wants to know Willie Hour, Lorky's Tower.
Okay.